Do you dream alone under the moon? Is it brighter, brighter when I'm with you? Is the afterglow strong enough to light this fire?
Wow, this house is a dream.
Summer breeze makes me feel fine, blowing through the jasmine in my mind.
This is Miranda.
Hi, Miranda. My name's Beth.
Hi.
I am looking at your property on Marina Isle Court, and I'm very interested in viewing it. You wouldn't happen to have an opening today to show it to us, would you?
Yes, absolutely. I can open it up this afternoon.